Hello everyone! Welcome back to Creatingen's YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring color palettes and how they can elevate your designs, branding, or personal style. Let's go ahead and generate some palettes from our image. With your reference image open, you can draw a shape and use the eyedropper tool to pick colors from the reference image. While this method allows you to create colors from an image, it is not very efficient and it can be time consuming. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just a color enthusiast, understanding how to use color palettes effectively is key to creating visually appealing and cohesive projects. Alternatively, with your image selected, you can click on Object in the menu bar at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Create Object Mosaic. In the pop-up menu, set both the width and height of the number of tiles to 10. Smaller squares of colors will appear on the screen. Drag them to the side. You'll notice that each pixel with color in your image is now represented in the generated color palette. It's quite simple to do. Just comment "Done" if you successfully create your colors. This method is particularly useful when clients lose their logo hex files or forget the hex codes used in their artwork. You can take any of their previous artworks or logos and generate a color palette for new projects. Feel free to share any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more design insights.